Ever felt like you're being chased by a shadow while managing a project? That shadow is often what we call technical debt. It's a concept in software development that reflects the implied cost of additional rework caused by choosing the quick and easy solution now instead of using a better approach that might take longer. Imagine you're building a house. You could use cheaper materials and get the job done faster, but later on, you'll have to deal with the consequences like cracks in the walls or a leaky roof. That's pretty much what technical debt is, but in the realm of project management. So how do we deal with this looming specter? Here are some steps to reduce and manage technical debt. Step 1. Acknowledge the debt. Just like any debt, the first step is acknowledging it. Understand that it's not necessarily a bad thing. It's a trade-off, a part of the process. It can even be strategic if managed correctly. Step 2. Make debt visible. Create a separate backlog for technical debt items. Use a tracking system to keep an eye on these issues. This way, it won't get lost in the shuffle of daily tasks and can be addressed in a systematic manner. Step 3. Prioritize the debt. Not all debts are created equal. Some might have a bigger impact on your project than others. Use a method like the weighted shortest job first or WSJF to prioritize the debt. This will help you tackle the most damaging issues first. Step 4. Allocate time to pay off the debt. This is a crucial step. Dedicate a certain percentage of each sprint to address technical debt. It could be as little as 10% or as much as 20% depending on the size of the debt. Step 5. Prevent new debt. This could be the most important step of all. Incorporate code reviews. Enforce coding standards. Use static code analysis tools. These practices will help prevent the accumulation of new debt. Step 6. Repeat the process. Managing technical debt is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process. Keep revisiting the debt, keep repaying it, keep preventing it. Remember, the key to managing technical debt is not to eliminate it completely, but to keep it under control. The aim is to make sure it doesn't hinder the progress of the project. To recap, here's what we've covered. Acknowledge the technical debt, make it visible, prioritize it, allocate time to pay it off, prevent new debt, and repeat the process. It's a continuous cycle of improvement, and each step plays a crucial role in managing technical debt effectively. Technical debt is an inevitable part of any project. It's a shadow that can either grow into a monstrous figure or remain a harmless silhouette, depending on how it's managed. By following these steps, you can ensure that this shadow remains just that, a shadow, and not a hindrance to your project's success. In the end, managing technical debt is much like managing any other aspect of a project. It requires acknowledgement, visibility, prioritization, time allocation, prevention, and continuous effort. With these steps, you can reduce and manage technical debt effectively, ensuring a smoother journey towards your project goals.